We got that tire prep on them. We finna get ready to go, guys. That's what y'all been waiting to see.
Damn,
Twin TP, baby.
Back. Oh, easy. Oh my God. Such a good seat.
Twin.
No!
Wow, so close.
Yes.
So
127.
127,
wow,
guys.
so
Fuck. All right, we're gonna charge it up, let her cool down, and do it again.
Yes, sir.
No.
You got that, bro.
We broke 100.
You got that.
Broke 100. Oh, you're gonna hit it again.
I'm good with that. I'm good.
102.
No.
I think.
Oh, it looks like it.
I'm guessing.
It looks
It
like
looks
it.
like it.
102.
Yes, sir.
What the heck?
102. That's all right.
Man, he is good with them
Woo.
numbers, man.
Nice. I love it.
All right.
Yes,
Awesome.
sir.
Good job.
Two.
Good job.
This the numbers
UPB.
man right here.
Yeah, baby.
Yes, sir. No PB.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be week.
Young boy on the beat.
Alright, guys, we're finna get back out there with that twin. Danger.
Oh, man, I'm so shaky.
We're finna get out there, baby. Tire prep. Twin. Hey, we're gonna call this twin turbo.
Yeah.
Twin
Only
turbo.
thing that is not prepped here, guys, is the driver.
Nah, the
I'm prepping
driver.
myself right now, as you can see.
Hey, the driver is the best, I'm gonna tell you now. The way the sun keep going in and out, I keep having to change the
That was scary, bro.
white balance.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go, guys. This is what y'all been waiting on. You already had one run. Gonna get it in again.
Get it in again.
Yes, sir.
All right, GPS zeroed out.
Did you run that thing with no button?
GoPro, start recording. Yeah, I don't have it. I crashed it. Can't find it. GPS is zeroed out. Timer started. Driver is definitely shaking
Ah.
and sweating.
You're not baking.
And it is hot out here. It's Florida.
It's not registering speed. Ooh, it just did. It took it a minute.
That's probably what's going on. It's lagging.
Doing it again.
It's lagging, huh?
All right, so now.
Bro, let's let mine's on yours.
No. Let's just reset.
We want to get some real.
That's it. The tent was messing it up.
Alright.
So I'll leave it like that.
Awesome, bro. Awesome.
All right. See what she can do today. No front splitter, so that's a lot of fun.
Yeah. And that's how I'm gonna be running too, just like my brother.
Yeah.
Arrma Limitless. That is fast. Sorry for the shakiness, guys. That is no baby. Clear. Me too. Somebody left something on.
Gotta be something. Come on, 130.
That's all I wanted today. 130. That was. If it's not, bro, it had. We're just gonna say it was because that's
Dude.
crazy speed.
Gotta be 130.
Gosh.
Please. 54 mile an hour.
Oh my
What?
God, bro.
No, that ain't correct
There's
at all,
no
bro.
freak.
Yeah.
Trying to climb a little bit.
What's the world record today?
I think open wheel buggy with a Typhon or any buggy, open wheel 8 scale is 122.
Right.
My PB is 117.
All right.
So we'll see what we can do today. The hardest thing with that Max 5 is that it cuts. Every time it senses either higher RPM than normal or voltage drop. So we put some buzzers. We noticed that the voltage dropped to obviously below 370. I think it's on 8S. That's why I'm running 8S. So I have less amperage and more voltage. And that's why, well, with the 8S, I know I can drop like a cell or two and still be kind of okay. So we'll see what happens.
All right. Let's go, brother. Are you prepping the tires or no prep?
No, no prep.
No prep.
Just want to see what you can do.
No prep, guys.
He's ripping it. Cool down, baby. Cool down.
I didn't really have a lot of plateau. Not even a full second, so.
Thank you.
All right, Max 5, what do you got for us for today? I feel like my throttle input was good. I feel like I didn't have enough time in plateau. But for a Max 5 without cutting, we'll see.
$112.
Nothing.
$112.
Nothing. All right, so yeah, I need some more time in plateau. Radio, fans.
Where you got your stickers from? You got them same place you got them from?
Which ones?
On your wheels.
Oh no, when I bought the BSR foams, they came with them.
The sticker?
Yeah, but they're the 35 Shore. They're mixed with rubber. These aren't them. I just put.
Another great day. Uh-oh, somebody's battery done.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That means
Yeah.
fun time.
There you go. Yes, sir. That's the cars, motorcycles and all. What's up, brother? Oh, your other battery's done. Yes, sir.
Excited.
Oh, you good? You good, right?
I want to interrupt your.
No, you good. You good. Chrissy. What happened? Hold on, bro. That.
We're gonna go the other way.
Car coming, so but you have time. You have time. No, for the to switch things. Yeah, after the.
No, it's cutting out. I think that pinion is too big.
Too hot.
Show after show, yeah, we do this